Hey guys, my name is Taylor Chu. Today we're going to be doing a full Halloween look for a funeral zombie. Now this woman is attending her own funeral looking a little bit glam and a lot of it undead. I'm going to take you through each step, so let's get started. Funeral zombie at your service. If you want to learn more about how to do the makeup, go and check that video. It's on my channel as well. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you have a fabulous Halloween. And make sure you take pictures of your whole costume and send them to me so I can see how it looks. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Taylor Chu. I'll see you guys next time.